Hello guys, welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. So today we will learn about how to open case in Amazon Seller Center account. So if you are facing any issue in your Amazon Seller Center account and you want to contact Amazon, then what you have to do, you have to open the case with Amazon. So what is the procedure? So first of all, you have to log in your Amazon Seller Center account, and then you have to click on the tab Help. From here, just scroll down and you have to click on Guest Support. If you have to open case with Amazon for selling on Amazon or sponsored ads and stores, you can check anyone. So here you have to describe your issue you are facing. So let's type hello. So you have to type here the issue you are facing in your Amazon Seller Central, and then you have to click on the tab continue. And then you have to select account related if your problem is related to account. If it is related to FBA related, then you have to click on there. If you have your problem is related to power listing, then you have to click on this. So, and if you have your topic is your issue is related to power listing, then you have to type ASIN or anything FNSKU order ID, port ID. You can just write here. Then you have to click on continue. After that, you have to write here the contact reason. If your issue is related to account, then you have to type account. If your problem is related to per listing, then you have to type here the per listing. Then you have to check the email. You can also add the CC email here, and then you have to just send to Amazon. So Amazon mostly reply in 12 hours, and maximum 12 hours, and sometimes it replies after 1 hour or 2 hours. If your case is urgent, you can also apply for the urgent by clicking this check that this issue is urgent and require immediate attention. To check the cases you have already opened, you can check from here, case log. So here you can check your case you have already opened with Amazon. So if you have any query about this topic, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you so much.